Listen, I'm in a hurry right now. I needed something real quick to throw on my head that was gonna look super cute. And I tell you, this wig did not disappoint. I didn't have to style this baby. I can wear it completely glueless. And it came with a pre-plucked hairline and the lace was already pre-cut. So I tried this exact wig by ISEE Hair a few months ago, but they have completely updated this wig, y'all. It now comes with pre-bleached knots and the cap is just nice and snug and secure, so you can definitely rock this baby glueless. I did go in and add baby hairs at the end, but you will see exactly what it looks like with no baby hairs or anything. I feel like when I rock a glueless wig and I put baby hairs and I put the elastic band on, it completely just melts the lace without it having to be melted, which is what I love. This is glueless and it looks so good. I literally kept the wig exactly how it came to me. So if you like the way this wig looks, when you receive it, you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same results as me. This is a wear and go wig from ISEE Hair. It is a straight texture and it is 26 inches long. It is an HD closure. I'm not exactly sure of the size, so I will leave that down below in the description box for y'all. As you can see, it's nice and long on me. It goes past my waist, and on top of that, the texture is already so nice and straight. I love it. I love how it has that thermal straightening before you even receive it. If you're on the hunt for a wig that you can have in your collection that could be your emergency wig, like you don't have time to really do your hair, but you still want to look good, this is the wig for that. So if you would like to see how I quickly installed this wig today so that I could get on with my day because I have somewhere to go, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer out.
you can see, it was super quick to install this wig. I really love the upgraded pre-bleach knots on this wig. The cap construction is so good. It literally just sits flush with your skin. I showed my boyfriend, I was like, yo, these wigs are getting so good. Literally, I just threw this on and looked at it and I lifted up the lace and he was like, yeah, that looks good. So definitely add this wig to cart. I will leave a link down below to ISEE Hair's website as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If y'all have been enjoying these glueless quick wig installs, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. I will keep them coming. By the way, if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, baby, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box right here and check it out. I did a fire hot pink ultimate glam look.